Do you need a meal you can prep fast? I mean, under 5 minutes fast? I'm here to show you my favorite using prepackaged gnocchi. So let's get started. The first thing you need is a cookie sheet with edges on it. You are going to take some olive oil and spread it around. Now, if I were making this for myself only, I would probably also mix in some Calabrian chili peppers at this point, but since this is for my 2 and 4-year-old granddaughters, I'm going to skip that. I am going to take 4 garlic cloves, spread them around. This is optional. Then I'm going to go with the gnocchi. Now I used Di Cecco. If you look at the ingredients on the back, the very first ingredient here, which you're not going to be able to see, you'll have to trust me, is mashed potatoes. That makes for a great potato gnocchi. If you use some of the cheaper ones, they say potato flakes and water, those aren't as good. So you take the gnocchi. These are shelf stable, so you should always have them on hand. They don't need to be refrigerated. You crumble them up and put them on the cookie sheet. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some sausage. Now you could take just sausage links like this and put them on, but because these are frozen and I want them to cook faster, I took the casing off and I am squeezing them into little lumps of sausage all over the pan. But you can put whole links in, you can slice them, however you want to do it. You just want to get them in a format where they're going to cook in about 20 or 25 minutes, which is how long it's going to take the gnocchi. So here we go. We're getting little clumps of sausage all over the place. And I'm going to take the last one to take the casing off it. I left one undone so you could see it. And that goes in here as well. Okay, the next mandatory step is the tomatoes. Now you can always use canned tomatoes, but I prefer cherry tomatoes. Maybe because in the summer I get them and freeze them. And I freeze them really easily just putting them in a freezer bag. So I grabbed these out of the freezer and we are going to just spread those on top. And this is it. This is all set. You put it in the oven and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes and serve it with, I like some Romano cheese on top, and that's it. Now, you can do some variations if you're not feeding toddlers the way I am. I generally would throw another vegetable in here. So if you wanted to do some variations, there are a lot of things you can do. You could chop up an onion if you had more time. You could throw in some vegetables, either pre-done broccoli or cauliflower would also be good. Zucchini would be good. Whatever you like, you can just toss in here. But the basic recipe here is just gnocchi, sausage, cherry tomatoes, and garlic. I don't think I've used up my full 5 minutes yet, so I am actually going to get some seasonings. I have some Italian herb mix here, some basil, oregano, marjoram, put that on top. And then I'm also going to toss some salt on this. And that's it. You can assemble it early in the day, or you can do it right before it is going to go in the oven. I'm using here a half sheet pan, which nicely fits a pound of gnocchi and a pound of meat and just about a pint of cherry tomatoes. That's it. I'm going to serve this with raw broccoli, again because of the grandchildren that I'm feeding, and some Italian semolina bread. I did not have time to make my own sourdough. But that is it. I really think prepackaged gnocchi is one of the most important things you can keep in a kitchen if you are looking to make fast meals, because it does a great job as the starch in a sheet pan dinner. You don't need to cut, chop, or anything else. And I think sausage is a great meat to go with it. The fat melts, seasons the gnocchi, doesn't stick because we have some olive oil on the bottom, we have a little bit of garlic, and the tomatoes all pop and turn into a great sauce. I bake the sheet pan at about 400 degrees from between 20 and 30 minutes until the sausage is well cooked, stopping to turn and stir it once about halfway through. I hope you enjoy this meal, and I hope you try it. Let me know if you have a favorite fast sheet pan meal in the comments. Thank you very much. Mangia Bene.